Hello everyone, welcome to Ademola TV Plus channel. If you just come across this channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell beside it so that you will be notified anytime we drop a new fresh video. And if you haven't followed us on all our social media platform, kindly do so now. You can follow us on Facebook at Ademola TV Plus and also on Instagram at Ademola TV Plus, also on Twitter at Ademola TV Plus, also on YouTube. Just type encapsulator Ademola TV Plus. Thank you. So today is our Woman Crush Wednesday, as you've always known. So we'll be displaying our Woman Crush Wednesday in person of Bimbo Oshin. Wow! Today we celebrate a true definition of African beauty, a radiant, proficient woman. Bimbo Oshin is a Nollywood actress, filmmaker, director, and producer who shot to limelight after a role in the movie Akobe. She was born July 24, 1971 in Ondo State, southwestern Nigeria. She attended the University of Lagos where she obtained a Bachelor of Arts (BA) degree in philosophy. Talking about her career, Bimbo Oshin commenced her acting career in 1996 after being introduced by a friend. She has since then featured in several movies and have produced many movies, namely like Owuya, Ọ̀dàlẹ̀, Tamilore, Ọmọ Ẹlẹ́mọ̀ṣọ́, Ọmọ Òkú Igi Ọlámi, Gbéyòkù, Ìdùnnú Mi, Ọ̀tá, Ó Yàtọ̀, Ọ̀fẹ́ Jábọ́, Ajìjàgbara Wá Jẹ, Àlèyá and so many more. In 2014, Bimbo Oshin was nominated for Yoruba Movies Academy Awards as the Best Actress in a Leading Role. Also in 2014, she was nominated for City People Entertainment Awards as Best Actress of the Year Yoruba. In 2015, Bimbo Oshin was also nominated for AFAE African Film Academy Award as the Best Female Indigenous Actress in 2016. Bimbo Oshin was honored with an Icon Category Award at the 2016 Afro Heritage Broadcasting and Entertainment Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, with all the love the heart can give, join us as we celebrate our own very beautiful actress, Bimbo Oshin. Wow! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. Kindly comment, like, share to your family and friends. Thank you. So, if you just come across the channel for the first time, once again, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell beside it so that you will be the first person to be notified when we drop a new fresh video. Thank you. And also you can also follow us on all our social media platforms at Ademola TV Plus. Thank you very much. Bye.